Alright guys, it's your boy Shades and Trades here. I'm looking at Tesla. It is 178.85 in after hours as of Friday. And the reason I'm looking at Tesla is because if we switch to the quarterly charts, which for those of you who don't know, Moomoo does have quarterly charts, which is why I'm using Moomoo today. And you can see that the stock did come down to a low of 124.61 way back here in 2022, late 2022 to be more specific. And now it's coming down as cheap as 160, 170, and 180s. That's where we have been hovering. Again, this is the quarterly charts. It almost looks like a double bottom here. Almost. We'll see how it plays out. But let's go to the lower time frames. I can't believe I'm calling the 1 monthly time frame a lower time frame. But let's look at the 1 month, and you'll notice again, it looks like we have been going sideways here for months now. We just can't seem to get above or below. We can't seem to get above 190, but we can't seem to get below 150. So that's where we're trading right now. Let's go to 1 week. Let's go to 1 week, and we'll start to see some more clear price action here. Okay. Now we're seeing this downtrend, and this pattern here so far. As long as it's in this downtrend, you probably don't want to be buying right now. I would wait for a breakout out of this downtrend if you're looking to swing trade it. And if we switch to the daily, again, the trend is even clearer. Let's grab our trend tool, and we can see, oops, that is not what I meant to do. Get out of here. We can see here's the recent top. We kind of tried to break out there, and we are inside. If we look at the daily chart, we are inside a wedge. Are we going to break to the upside or to the downside? Either way, there is a wedge. I would look for a good day trading opportunity on that wedge alone. If you're going to play the wedge, play the wedge. Tuesday, see where it goes. If it breaks out, watch out for 186 and then possibly as far as 200. If we can break over 200, we're going to start to recover here on Tesla. If it breaks down, we're going down as low as 167 and then possibly even right back down to where it finally bounced at 140. So that is your day trading opportunity. Again, for swing traders, you probably want to wait and see if it comes down nice and cheap to 150. And this is the daily chart. So if we zoom out, you'll notice that over the long term, it keeps trending to the downside. In the short term, we're seeing a wedge here, whether it plays to the upside or downside. We'll see what happens on Tuesday. But the reason this is an AI stock is Elon Musk in this quarterly call transcript. On Tesla's first quarter earnings call, Musk told investors that Tesla should be viewed as an AI or robotics company and that trying to value it as an auto company is the wrong way to look at it. If you don't think Tesla will solve autonomy, that you shouldn't be an investor in this stock. And this is referring to self-driving vehicles. Musk has big plans for robotaxis and cybercabs. The company said it would look to use a revolutionary unboxed manufacturing strategy when it comes to robotaxis that will slash its manufacturing costs. Tesla plans to unveil the strategy in a big presentation in August, so we might get a run-up in anticipation of that August date as well. So that's something to keep an eye on. This is why you have to watch these videos or look up the information yourself. When is the next big catalyst? When is the next big move going to happen? And can we buy in anticipation of it and load up nice and cheap before everyone else steps in the week before and pushes it up for us, essentially, is what happens. Given how much computing power Tesla vehicles have, essentially, he thinks Tesla vehicles can be used to run AI models when they are not being driven. This would be wow, that is insane. He said this would be very powerful when there is a fleet of 100 million Tesla vehicles on the road around the globe. Huh. That's interesting. See, right now, I just froze right now because couldn't they do more than just that? Because he wants the Tesla vehicles to be used to run AI models when they're not being driven. couldn't you have? Is there a way so that your Tesla vehicle can mine Bitcoin? Like imagine having a Tesla vehicle and it mines a Bitcoin for you. Sure, let's say it takes a while, but all of a sudden you just got an extra 80 grand in your pocket just because your Tesla vehicle, when it's powered off, it just mines a Bitcoin. I don't know. It's just an idea. Maybe it's probably not possible, but maybe we'll see. Maybe I think there's something there besides running AI models. I'm sure there's something there. Like maybe while your Tesla vehicle is sitting there, it can do something that I don't know that creates money for you. I think that would be awesome, in my opinion. But so I can see something there. I see there's something there. I see it, but I don't know. I don't quite know what it could be. But if you guys have any ideas, let me know. I mean, that would be great. Hey, I have a car and it makes me money by mining a Bitcoin or something. Musk said he thinks robots will be able to perform useful tasks within its factories by the end of the year and could start selling them externally by the end of 2025. And they said that Optimus, their humanoid robot, will eventually be worth more than everything else from Tesla combined. So if you believe in the Musk, if you believe that Tesla is not just an AI stock, but a future $1,000 a share stock like Nvidia, and you believe they're going to follow through, that's really the most important. When you're investing in Tesla, you're investing in Elon Musk. You're investing in the company and the people behind it and running everything. So if you believe that they can follow through, this is the time to invest right now. This is the time to be buying. You do not want to buy this when it's at 1,000, right? Yeah. I mean, there's still people buying Nvidia at 1,000, and it's going to get a stock split. But think about this for a second. Right now, no one wants Tesla. No one wants it. If people wanted it, it'd be running. It would be running like Nvidia right now. It would just be skyrocketing to hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars. But that is not the case. So I implore you to do your own research, make what you want from this video, but I do believe this is worth a long-term hold once it breaks out of this channel. If you want to continue to average down and hold for 20 years, then definitely if you're an investor, that is the way to go. If you truly do believe that AI is the future and Tesla is going to be right there front and center to not only make you a lot of money off of the charts, off of investing, but also you're going to have your own robot doing who knows what for you. Yeah, it'll cook you your food. You're going to wake up, there's going to be some sunny side eggs just right next to you, and you're going to be like, wow, thanks, Alexa, or whatever the robot's name's going to be. And maybe you'll be able to program it and name it whatever you want. That is the future. And it's a scary one, but also an interesting one. Or maybe I'm insane. Maybe I'm talking right now and I'm thinking that we're gonna have robots, but maybe I'm just insane. Maybe I'm having too much foresight and I need to get some sleep. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Believe in AI. It is coming. Whether you like it or not, you're going to have to adapt. Let's hope we have some cool robots and not ones that kill us. I'll see you.